Shopify integration. Barcode scanner for Shopify stores, for methods compared. Shopify store owners hit the same wall around 100 SKUs, typing stock counts into the Shopify. Here is what you get. For methods compared, Shopify mobile app. Each method's cost, setup time, scan. Best fit recommendation by store size, under. The choice comes down to a few things. For methods compared, Shopify mobile app. Each method's cost, setup time, scan. Best fit recommendation by store size, under. Ideal for Shopify stores doing weekly stock, receiving POS against Shopify inventory, migrating from manual entry to. Quick answer, not directly. ScanSheet exports a CSV that you upload to Shopify via the product import flow. For real time. Open ScanSheet free, no app install, no card needed, and start scanning. Scan.SkyCang.com